In this video, we'll be showing you how to recruit volunteers for a single task.
First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From the main navigation, head to Admin, Events, and then select Tasks for Volunteers from the Event Management menu for the appropriate event. To add single tasks, click the Add Task button. Select Organisers from the drop-down list. You can specify up to 4 people who can be responsible for organising this task. When these people log into your website, they will be able to access the volunteers report for this specific task. Choosing a task group enables you to easily group all your tasks together. Task names should be kept fairly succinct. This could be a generic name if you just want to recruit volunteers for an event, for example, school disco helpers.
Or it could be for a specific time slot, for example, drink stand, 2 till 3 p.m.
The free text description box allows you to add more information about the task. The message to volunteers text will appear in the task confirmation email, which is sent to the customer when they have volunteered. You can use it to add a personal thank you to your customers for volunteering, or inform them of further information relating to this task. The number of helpers is the number of people you require to run this task efficiently and effectively. For example, if you have a disco, you may need 20 volunteers. Checking the Hide Number of Helpers Required checkbox will hide how many helpers are required where your tasks are shown. Entering a value in the Sort Order field will allow you to sort your task in your own specific order. Enter the date and time that your task will start, and enter the date and time that your task will end. The required by date is the cut-off date and time when your organisation will need to make a judgment call if you have enough volunteers to run this task. The task will no longer be shown to your community after this time. When you have added all of the required information, click the Add Task button to save your task.
Your task will then be visible to your community so they can volunteer in a number of places. First, in the task section of the event when it is visible on the home page, and in the dedicated volunteers page in Your PTA Volunteers, and also if you have checked Ask for Volunteers in your event settings, we will interrupt the checkout process and ask your community to volunteer. To see all of the events you have volunteered for, these can be found in My Account under Volunteer Tasks. And that's it, you have now successfully recruited volunteers for single tasks.
Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.